Hey everyone. I thought I'd show you my new Gold Hog mini excavator that I got today. Sorry about the noise in the background. But you can see, God, got the punch plate up in here. Hold on a second. Doesn't want to cooperate with me. The only thing I don't like about this thing so far, you gotta take the punch plate out the back. It's goofy. Got that punch plate. A piece of hog moss. And it's got this weird matting that they use for commercial operations, they say, down here. But it's not the Yukon mat. It's not even on their website. First I thought it was Talon, but there's Talon right here, and this is completely different looking. You can even tell on the camera it looks completely different. But they say it works better than you are, so I don't know. But it's got these weird mats. I don't even know the name of it. It's got Talon, Razorback, Downdraft, Talon, Razorback. Of course, it's got the skin tray they use. And instead of bolting it down, they got this little thumb clip right here. It don't really hold the mat down. I just don't even really touch it. I might take it off there. So you can see the mats are wet because when they come, they have saline on them. So I took some jet dry and a brush and cleaned them off. Oh, I can't even get it back in from right there. Right. There we go. Now I thought these legs, or these rails that hold the header box up, have holes every inch, but I guess that's not the case. So, it only has 5 holes on it, but I do like these step out legs on the bottom, with the big tabs on the bottom. That's pretty nice. So I think a lot bigger than it looks online, that's for sure.
Do you like it? Do you like it? That's a big picture.
You get a back view from it. It looks smaller on the camera than it is actually. I mean, it makes my old Gold Buddy look tiny. I mean, I don't know. I took that apart. That's the header box for it right there. The sluice for it's right there. I gotta set up possibly where I can run that sluice as an extension onto this thing if need be. Probably won't. If anything, I may run my hog pan off the end of it, catch my tailings, because I'll be running it with a 3,700 gallon of hour pump. So that'll, if I have the water running off, it'll really be pounding in there, and heavies will stay in there. So, but I'll test it. I may not have to. But yeah, I may have some video up running it the next few days. I'm hoping to go down to the OSPA's Double D claim Saturday and run some. So, but so far it's pretty nice. I'll talk at y'all later.